Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Good evening, everyone. Is it fine now? Okay, okay. Yes, yes, now it is visible. Now it is visible. हाँ, okay, ठीक. Good evening, everyone. I hope now audio, video both are clear, right? हाँ, पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है इनके. मेरी क्लास के ही टाइम पे ऐसा होता है. तब से अच्छा भला रहता है. चलो कोई बात नहीं, मेरा नहीं तुम लोगों का दुश्मन है वो. Right. Okay then. As you all are very well aware about this session, we discuss 10 must, like 100 must do MCQ. It is based upon some international affairs and some government initiatives. Okay, so let me upload these slides. Here you all can see. Hmm. दिख नहीं रहा. Slides are visible or not? Nahi, Ankit. I think there is some problem in network or something else. Like from my side, many times chat box and everything is your video is late. Yes, Nayan, as I said, maybe there is any technical issue. I don't know. Like from my end, I check everything. It's no problem. Okay, then let's start it. जैसा भी है. I think अब सब ठीक है, right? Everything is fine. Okay, then. As we all know very well about Unacademy Plus, on Unacademy Plus we offer you comprehensive syllabus. So whatsoever your target exam is, on Unacademy Plus you can get comprehensive syllabus, and we'll complete all the things that is required for your exam. Okay. One more important point is there, like you can track your preparation, where you are right now and how much preparation you have done, how much practice you have done, what else is left. Okay, so in this way you can track your preparation whether you are going right or not. Then after, there are some free workshops that you can check on an academy. These are the question that we have done yesterday. Let us start with some new questions. Okay, so let's start it. This one is new, I guess, right? स्वच्छ ये भी नहीं हुआ था, 10 तक हुआ था आई थिंक, राइट? 10 तक हम लोगों ने कल किया था. इज इट? दिस स्वयं, ये नहीं हुआ था, स्वयं नहीं हुआ था, ग्लोबल इनिशिएटिव वाला लास्ट था ना, दिस वन, ग्लोबल इनिशिएटिव. नाउ फ्रॉम हेयर वी हैव टू स्टार्ट इट, राइट? रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड लेटर ऑन वी विल स्टार्ट पोल. हाँ, होता है ऐसा. ट्राई करना अपना कुछ रिकॉर्ड करके ऐसे. कहाँ से नरसिम्हा? नहीं, मैं क्यों करूंगी नरसिम्हा, मैं तुम्हारे सामने लाइव पढ़ा रही थी. एंड इवन फ्रॉम माय साइड ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था, मुझे बस अपना स्लाइड्स दिख रही थी और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था. ओके, लो मुझे पता है कुछ भी. अरे देयर इज अ टीम दैट यूज टू हैंडल ऑल द थिंग्स, ठीक है, तो वो लोग वहां से हैंडल करते हैं. इट्स नॉट फ्रॉम माय एंड, इसीलिए बोलती हूँ अपनी लैंग्वेज सुधार लो. फोन पे खोला था अंकित, तभी तो मुझे पता चला कि नरसिम्हा इज देयर. थोड़ा सा दिमाग यूज करो नरसिम्हा, क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग पढ़ रहे हैं हम आजकल. यस एग्जैक्टली, एंड दैट वाज नॉट ब्लॉक, वो शायद मैसेज डिलीटेड कुछ ऐसा था, ब्लॉक नहीं था वो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. रीड इट एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल हैव पोल फॉर दिस. इट्स अबाउट स्वयं. ओके, full form of Swayam, an indigenous IT platform Let's have a poll then. न्यू है तो आपको मॉनिटर करते हैं, मे बी सही बात है, मेरा तो इस चैनल पे सेकंड वीडियो ही था ये। Poll is visible or not? Please tell me. Now, I hope now it is visible. ओके ओके फाइन। स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा आई थिंक इशू आ रहा है, बाद में ठीक हो जाएगा। सी दिस स्वयं जो है, स्वयं ठीक है, इट्स अ लर्निंग फॉर यंग एस्पायरिंग माइंड्स। ओके, तो हमारी जो एचआर मिनिस्ट्री है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री, HRDM, okay, they have developed this study web of active learning young aspiring minds। ठीक है, इसमें अब एक और बात क्या है, this thing is correct, apart from this, this is, you know, the like government of India and all the professors, faculties of central funded institutions like all the IITs, all the IIMs and the central university will offer online courses to the citizen of India। Okay, so this is our this is like a government has launched this scheme, and this Swayam is basically for active learning of young aspiring minds। Okay, getting it everyone? Education Ministry. Yeah, correct। Next question is, which program was launched on 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with the objective of promoting greater mutual understanding among states and union territories. Okay, poll is on, choose your answer. It's on. राष्ट्रीय एकता शिविर, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, उन्नत भारत, all of the above or none of the above. Okay, so it is written about mutual understanding. ठीक है, तो कोई भी लाइक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग मतलब सब एक रहेंगे तभी म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी, राइट? सो इट इज समथिंग अबाउट यूनिटी. फाइन, करेक्ट आंसर इज एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत. Okay, then let's see the next question. Which campaign is launched to make nationwide efforts to strengthen Panchayati Raj and through it boost social harmony in villages, promote rural development and foster farmer welfare, livelihood of poor? Okay, so you have to choose the name of this yojana. Is it Gram Uday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan, or it is Gram Vikas se Bharat Vikas Abhiyan, Gram se hi Bharat Vikas Abhiyan, Gram Uday se Bharat Vikas Abhiyan? Okay, now choose your answer. Poll is on. If anybody is new in our class, they can join group. Link of my group I have pinned above, and you can even tell us that which is your target exam. Okay, then here you all can see that the central government of India, with the collaboration of state government and panchayats of panchayats of all region, they have launched this Gramoday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan. ठीक है, so this is basically Gramoday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan, and this specific campaign began with Bhimrao Ambedkar Jayanti. Okay, so when it was 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, okay, it was started there. I think it basically it was a Panchayati Raj Day was also celebrated, na? So yeah, there also they have done something. Panchayati Raj सेल डे वाले दिन भी एक योजना लॉन्च हुई थी. आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस योजना फ्यू डेज अगो. ओके, आई हैवंट रिमेंबर बट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस पॉइंट. विल टेल यू लेटर. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट. बाय बाबा, लाइक व्हाट, क्यों लाएंगे, कुछ है क्या? Okay, it's not you, Ankit. I thought it's you. Okay, then let's see the next. Swachh Yug campaign involved intensifying support to how many states to make all village along the bank of Ganga open defecation free? ODF. Poll is on. %71 correct answer. Good, Ajay. Now here you all can see that in this Swachh Yug campaign, okay, the Ministry of India, like how many ministries were there? Ministry of Drinking water and sanitization. Okay, it has partnered with Ministry of Youth Affair and Sports. Then after it partnered with Ministry of Water Resource and Ministry of River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Okay, so these four ministry were partnered for this specific scheme, and there were total five, overall five states were there. ठीक है, कौन कौन से फाइव स्टेट्स इसमें इन्वॉल्व थे? लेट मी टेल यू. देयर वाज वन उत्तर प्रदेश, यहाँ गंगा है. ओके, उत्तराखंड, बिहार, झारखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. These were five states. They, they have a ministry have selected these five states to make all village along the bank of Ganga open defecation free. So there were total, I think, 5,169. Total 5,169 villages along the Ganga, on the bank of river Ganga, and 1,600 districts are there. Village, 1,600 districts, and a total 52, 1,600 gram panchayats and 52 districts. Okay, so basically what was the purpose? They wanted to make open defecation free, like ये जो 5 states हैं, यहाँ पे गंगा river है, and for basically water sanitization, this thing is being started. Yes, Ajay. Let's see the next. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Let's see the next question. Right. Right, Rajat. I suggested you something. I think you should do that. Jal Marg Vikas Project of Inland Waterways Authority of India plan to reach LNG, that is liquefied natural gas, to Nepal via dash in UP. कौन सा है? इतनी देर क्या कर रहे थे रजत? अभी बजा है 11. Okay, poll is on. Choose your answer. Last के 5 seconds जब बचे रहेंगे तो I'll give you one clue. Okay. So your answer is a city which is very close to me. Yeah, definitely, Baba. We'll have it. It's Varanasi. Okay. तो इसके लिए वाराणसी को चूज किया गया है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. अंडर स्वच्छ स्वस्थ सर्वत्र SSS, financial assistance of dash rupees will be given to community healthcare centers so that they can strengthen to meet the standard of sanitization, hygiene and infection control. Okay. Now you have to choose how much money they have given. Poll is on. Choose your answer. Yes, now it's nowadays it is there. every day, twice or thrice. Is it fine now, Ankit? Hello, Sanjag. Is it your first class? Okay, second is correct answer. 10 lakh rupees. Okay, amount was 10 lakh. Okay, then which is your target exam, Sanjog? Like you are preparing for which exam? Next question is here. Read it. Which campaign was launched by Niti Aayog, under which a student of class 6 to 12 will learn innovation skills and develop idea that will go on to transform India at Atal Thinkers Lab? Poll is on. Choose your answer. Okay, very nice, Sanjog. Then I'll suggest you to join VARC classes. Like for CAT exam, I'm here to guide you for verbal ability and reading comprehension. Okay, so all the courses and classes of reading comprehension and verbal ability is going on Plus platform at 3 p.m. Okay, there is a complete structured course where you can cover your entire syllabus. Okay, and in IFT, GK is there. So for IFT, it is important. Okay, okay, Rajat. Now in this, you can see that class 6 to 12 students can get this get this opportunity to learn some innovation skills, and even if they are going to develop a big idea, then definitely they'll get Atal Thinker Labs. यहाँ वो पहुंच सकते हैं. Okay. Now in this you can see Mentor India campaign. Name of this campaign is Mentor India. Okay, Sanjog, I got it. Like you, it's not your first classes, it means, right? Okay, Jameen, welcome to the session. Mukesh Pandit, Apurva Shukla, welcome. Oh wow, Ankit. Is it clear? Let's see the next question. Niti Aayog has launched which program to initiate transformation in the education and health sector with the state government? क्या है इसका नाम? Okay, I'm starting poll. It's on now and choose your answer. Okay. Now here you all can see that Saath program is correct answer. Okay. Niti Aayog has launched Saath program. What is full form of this Saath? This I told you yesterday. याद है कल भी हम इसके बारे में बात किए थे. इसका full form पूछा गया था. So it's sustainable action for transforming human capital. Okay, this is full form of this SAT Yojana, and like it is with the state government. ये collaboration है नीति आयोग and state government मिलके. The vision of this program is to initiate transformation in education and health sector. ठीक है? So this thing is already written over here, and it's SAT program. Getting it? Yes, good. No, it's not last question, Ajay. No, actually, I am not taking quant, Sanjog. Okay, I am only taking verbal ability, reading comprehension, and GK. Now here you all can see that one session is going on free platform. That is Word Power Made Easy. Timing of this session is 6:30. Okay, 6:30 p.m. But as I have my YouTube session at 7, so tomorrow we'll have it at 2 p.m. Only tomorrow we'll have it at 2 p.m. and later on we'll continue with this timing only. Okay, so you all can join it. If you think that you should improve your vocabulary, then you can join it. And to access free content on Unacademy, the code that you have to apply is div@10. Okay. Yeah, if you want to join that YouTube session also, then you can join our group, or you can see that Unacademy Catalyst channel is there, na? Official channel of Unacademy. You can join. Tomorrow's session is very important session, because tomorrow I'll tell you some do's and don'ts of RC. What are the important points that you have to keep in your mind for reading comprehension, and what are the things that you all are most of the learners are doing wrong. Okay. No, Ankit, we have not done for now. Okay, let's see the next. Ministry of Women and Child Development and Department of Electronics and Information Technology have developed a website to exchange information on missing and found children. Now you have to tell that what is the name of this web portal. Okay, poll is on, choose your answer. It's quite easy to mark correct answer, because only one keyword will help you to mark correct answer. Very nice. 73% correct answer, but you could have given 100% correct. So this is child development, as it is written, missing and found child. Okay, तो खोया पाया वेब पोर्टल, मिसिंग में खो जाएगा और फाउंड में पा जाएगा, राइट? Yes. Is it clear? So it has been developed by Ministry of Information Technology and this Department of Electronics. Okay, let's see the next question. Good. Even these things help us to remember, right? Next is, what is the name of electronic platform for no child labor developed by Labor Ministry? Yes, poll is on. Okay, 50% correct answer. VARC Maestro is there in our class. Then after Ajay, Saurav, Nayak, SS, and Mobani Sarkar, FR, Siraj, Shyam, Srinivas, Sunny, Satyendra, Harshita, Pukraj, Kuvir, Abhay, Abhinav, Piyush, Daniel, Sangeet, Yuvraj, Saurabh, and Bhim. Well done, correct answer. Okay, I haven't seen that. So it's Pencil. Okay. The name of electronic platform for no child labor development. Name of this platform is Pencil, and this is the central, state, district government, and the civil society and the general public. All are involved in this, basically in this portal, and it is for achieving the target of child labor free society. So this is the target, child labor free society, and they are working upon this. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, next question is here. 25 questions we'll do in today's session. What is the name of the platform that is launched to enable women employees to file complaint related to sexual harassment at the workplace? Sorry, I'm not getting it. अच्छा, आंसर ABCD कुछ भी हो सकता है. Yeah, because this is the these are the series of 100 most important MCQs based upon the government initiatives and some international affair. Okay, so because government initiative may still we have not completed all the questions, इसलिए I am just continuing it. Or international affairs we have discussed earlier. Yes, correct. Okay. 65% correct answer. Good. So it's She-Box portal. It's very easy to remember as it is related to women employee for sexual harassment. So she, this is the pronoun that we use for women. So you can choose it. Okay, getting it, everyone? So there they can register all their complaints, and even this is being developed by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Okay, this is the ministry that is involved in that has been taken initiative for this, and this portal was launched in 2013. Okay. No, it's portal, web portal, and online yoga. Okay, Aman Chaudhary and Altamash, you both are joining very late. Okay, session is about to end now. So if you want to join it every day, you can join it at 10. It starts at 10:05, but you can join at 10. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following organization or ministry has launched Vittiya Saksharta Abhiyan? Okay, so these are the options that you can see. Let's have a poll then. Yeah, it was related to that. मतलब वहीं से ही start हुआ था. Krishna and Amar, both of you are late. Session is about to end now. In this you can see that it is साक्षरता. It's not something which is related to finance. ठीक है? तो इसीलिए साक्षरता है, तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे यही होगा, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री. ठीक है? क्योंकि एडुकेशन और इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट इज देयर, ठीक है। वित्तीय साक्षरता मतलब दिस इज बेसिकली टू मेक पीपल अवेयर अबाउट कैशलेस सिस्टम, ठीक है। कैशलेस इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम कैसा होता है उसके बारे में उनको अवेयर करना। तो अवेयरनेस कैन बी डन फ्रॉम लाइक आरबीआई या फिर फिनेंस मिनिस्ट्री आके तुम्हें अवेयर नहीं करेगी। अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स जो चलाए जाते हैं वो एचआरडी मिनिस्ट्री चलाती है, ठीक है। अब एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री अलग हो गई है बट बेसिकली इट्स अंडर एचआरडी, ओके। गेटिंग इट? Okay, then let's see the next. खेलो इंडिया, खेलो इंडिया वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, आई थिंक ये कई बार मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया है। What happened, Ankit? So you have to choose that which of the following statement is correct. First and third, second and third, first, second, second, first and third, first, second, third, तीनों या none of these. No. Let's have a poll. I hope you all have read. No. Yes, Ajay. Do you need some more time? Why, Sanjog? Obviously, yes. Okay, now here you all can see that a national program for development of sports, which aims to enable a pathway from school to Olympic. Okay, now this point is correct about Khelo, like you know, Khelo University games are there, जहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल से खिलवाते हुए, कॉलेज लेवल से खिलवाते हुए, they can even go to Olympics. Then after each athlete under new scheme will get a scholarship. This thing is wrong, ठीक है, this thing is not right, and this one is right. Like government also aim to set 20 university across the country as a hub of sports excellence. Now let me tell you one thing. Like Khelo mission, this Khelo mission is basically sports colleges open करना. मतलब जैसे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज होती है, मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज होती है, they want to open sports college and sport where they can get a proper guidance of all kinds of sports. Okay. Right. Okay, I haven't seen your question. Let me check it. Are this really? I haven't seen this. हाँ हाँ, I was just looking up for that. तुम लोग को पता नहीं पहले से लिंक्स कहाँ से मिल जाते हैं. Okay, is it clear to everyone? No problem, Sanjog. अपकमिंग क्लासेस के अंकित, लाइक अपकमिंग यूट्यूब सेशन के, मैंने भी लाइक मेरी सेशन ओवर होते ही आई वाज जस्ट चेकिंग इट कि कहाँ है. नहीं था सेट रिमाइंडर्स में, बाकी सारी क्लासेस थी. Let's see the next. National Rural वाटर ड्रिंकिंग प्रोग्राम, इसके बारे में कौन सा पॉइंट सही है? ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोग्राम है, अच्छे से पढ़ लो पॉइंट्स को। या आई थिंक सो संजोग, यू आर राइट। अंडर द टेबल भी कुछ कर रहे होंगे, गॉड नोज। ओके, अभिषेक बंसल, शिवम तिवारी, welcome to the session. You all are late. Okay, one more question to go. No, Rajat. हाँ हाँ जरूर अजय, सोर्स है तो कर लेना, अच्छा ही है नेकी और पूछ पूछ। पोल इज ऑन नाउ, चूज योर आंसर। That is just for knowledge. Okay. So National Rural Water Drinking Program. It is by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 2% of earmarking of funds for Japanese encephalist, acute encephalist and syndrome affected areas. Thereafter, a central sector scheme. Which of the following statement is true about rural water drinking? So the correct answer is only second one is correct. Okay. So this scheme is sponsored by 50-50 fund sharing. ठीक है, 50-50 fund sharing हुई है यहाँ पे in central and state government. Okay, collaboration of center plus state ministry. ठीक है, state ministry of drinking water and sanitization. Okay. Now they'll cover all the rural population across the country to reach goal of increasing coverage of sustainable piped water supply. Okay, so tap water supply or piped water supply, that is the aim. Okay. Yeah, Japan is my favorite place ना, इसलिए. Next, मिशन भागीरथ, उसके बारे में कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? Hello Mukul Kumar, welcome to the session. You are little late. It's our last question of today's session. Okay, and class timing is 10 p.m. Okay, now let's have a poll. Start करें? Yes, it's last question. Yeah, poll is on now. Right, Ajay? Very good. VRC Maestro, मोबानी सरकार, अजय, नयन, सौरभ, श्रद्धा, मुकुल, अंकित, उपराज, कुबीर, पीयूष, डैनियल, संगीत, सौरभ, FR, भीम, रजत, भीम, दलबीर, हर्षिता, नायक, भारती, सिराज, श्याम, श्रीनिवास, सनी, सतेन, Ranjan, and 2 more students. Correct answer. So this is the final leaderboard of today's session. Ajay, Saurabh, Rajat, VRC, Mobani, Nayan, Nayak, SS, Siraj. Yeah, let me have a snap of this and let me share it in our group. Give a huge round of applause to all these top 10 learners on the leaderboard. Okay, very nice, well done everyone, good, and keep it up. Okay, so we'll have this session every day at 10 p.m. So definitely you can be regular in these classes. Till 100 we are going to complete all these government initiatives. It's 25 only 1/4 part we have completed till now, and we'll complete it till 100. So you can even join it. Now what I want to tell you all is that if you are preparing for CAT or any other management exam, then there is a paid platform, plus platform, where we offer where you can found India's best educators. Like you can get guidance from the best educators of India, and if you join plus, there is no restriction that you can join only session of any one or two educator. You can watch session of anyone, and n number of time you can watch it, and there is no such restriction. And then after live interactive live classes are there, structured courses along with PDF and daily homework sheets. Then after you can make your own planner timetable over here on an Academy app if you are plus subscriber. And then after you can create your own group of learners where you can study together. Everything is here on an Academy only, and live tests and quizzes are there. If you will join Iconic, like if you want Iconic subscription, then you will get a personal mentor or personal coach who will guide you time by time that what you have to do and how your performance is going on. Then after, separate OMET preparation and expert guidance. Okay, meanwhile they will keep on calling you and guiding you for all the things, and there would be a separate test analysis for you. Okay, so these are the these are benefits. Later on you can see that if you are going to if you are going for plus subscription, then this is the fee structure. Okay, this is the fee structure which you can where you can get discount by applying code. Okay, so difference you can see, it's visible over here. So code that you have to apply is div@10, so that you can get discount, and you can get it on lesser prices. Okay. Yes, Jai Hind. Okay, so this is the price you can get your plus on lesser prices if you are going to apply this code, and even you can get more discount. ये कुछ नहीं है, इसके अलावा एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट भी मिलता है. तो उस एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट के लिए तुम्हें ये ही कोड अप्लाई करना होगा. यू जस्ट टेल मी, यू इन्फॉर्म मी वंस, एंड देन आफ्टर आई विल टेल यू कि एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट कैसे मिल सकता है. Okay, so if you are serious and if you want to get subscription, तभी contact करना, otherwise don't waste your and my time. And then after, Iconic is also there. Okay, यहाँ पे भी code apply करने पे discount मिलेगा. Okay, और extra discount भी मिलेगा. So that's it. This is my code. If anything else you want to ask, you can ask your query. And all free sessions timing is 8:30 a.m. every day in morning. 8:30 a.m. we have a class on verbal ability and reading, only verbal ability, not reading comprehension. Then after, another class we have tomorrow. We'll have class at 2 p.m. 7 p.m. YouTube session. Okay, and then this 10. Then one more thing is there. If you are a plus subscriber, then you can get yourself enrolled in my plus course, that is complete course on verbal ability and reading comprehension. It's a complete course where I'll cover the entire syllabus, so you can join it, and like here you can get everything. It's a complete package. Then after, timing of this class is 3 p.m. Okay, so that's it. I don't think any question or doubt is there, right? No, Ajay. No, not at all, Ajay. Okay. That's it. Bye everyone. Good night. Take care of yourself, and meet you in next class in morning 8:30 a.m. Okay. Bye.